Welcome back. This is gonna be a quick little tutorial for those that want to render their wireframes. Before, the easiest way to do it is to do a wireframe by having your wire here enable, and then just doing a viewport image render. This will render whatever you're looking at, and then you have this aspect, but you also get whatever you're selecting here in the background. So it's not real ideal and it's also not high quality. What we want to do is actually render our wireframe in our full lighting scenes. And this is the currently easiest way I have found to use it. So you're gonna select your mesh, whatever you want to have the wireframe. We want to add a bevel modifier. We want to add a, open up the shading, and we're going to change our material index. The material index here is affected by whatever materials we have on our model. So material index 0 starts at your very top one and then goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, and then so on down the list. So for me, I want to have material index of 1 since that's what I'm choosing to have my color for my wireframe. And that's going to be this one. Main one is going to be the actual color on the skin. All right, so now let's change our settings. We want to have our limit method set to none. And we want to open up our geometry drop down. And we want to uncheck our clamp overlap. This pretty much sets it free. And we have this god awful mess. We want to reduce the amount to something actually reasonable. So, 3 zeros and a 3 usually gets me a decent result, which is this. If you want it even higher, you can increase that one and makes it thicker, or decrease it. Here you can adjust it depending on your density of your mesh. For me, like a 3 to 4, it's ideal thickness for the amount that I have for this model. And now we can press F12, and now we have our model with all our lightings that we wish. So it's just as simple as this, just these settings. So let me go through those again. Bevel, change the amount to something small, 3. Let's go to none here. Let's go to our geometry, unlink that, and then to add the material to our settings, we select whatever material we have. We have here. You want to change a different material, you can click and you will be getting different materials from your list. So for me it was 1, and to change those, let's select our material settings. Let's say I want this to be red. Just simple as that. And let's change the main background to, let's say, black. And now we have this little thing. Let's go to our camera view, change our camera position. Let's go here and then render this out. And we have this nice little thing. Cool part about this, you can also add the emission and have it glow. Right, this also adds color to it. Add some ambient bloom. It's far too low. Need to add more. And here you get the idea. Now you can do a bunch of little effects to your final render. And this will conclude this little short video. So I'll catch you next time.